everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let us log into the Ubuntu VPS. I am using PowerShell to log into the Ubuntu VPS. To add a new user, we will use the sudo adduser command and then the username. It will ask for your root password to create a new user. Now you need to create a password for the new user you are creating. You can enter some information about the user, or you can skip it and just type Y and press enter. To add this new user to the sudo group, use the usermod command. So, let us check the sudo user. As you can see, the new user is now in the sudo user group. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.